Hello, for today's math review, we are looking at expressions, and this might be a little tricky for especially fifth graders, but I want you to really pay attention to my examples, and that should help you on the sheet that you are doing, okay? So the first one says, write an expression for add 2 plus 8 and then divide by 2. Add 2 plus 8 and then divide by 2. So an expression is just a number sentence. So 2 doesn't look very good. 2 plus 8 and then divide by 2. Now remember, according to order of operations, if I was just looking at this, I would divide by 2 first. So for this expression, I want to add 2 plus 8 and then divide by 2. So I need parentheses here. Now when you're writing out the expression, you don't have to write the answer, just write the expression. Okay, next one. Write an expression for divide 10 by 2 and then add 8. Divide 10 by 2 and then add 8. Now I need to think, do I need parentheses here? Well, according to order of operations, I would divide first and then add, so I do not need parentheses to tell me to do that. Okay, let's look at number 3. Write an expression for the phrase, Louise is 4 years younger than Ruby. Let F represent Ruby's age. How old is Louise? So we know that Louise is 4 years younger than Ruby, but we don't know how old Ruby is. So F is going to represent her age. We don't know what that number is. That's going to be our variable. So Louise is 4 years younger than her. So we're going to subtract 4 from that age, and that would be our expression that would tell us how old she is. Okay, looking over here, what 2 expressions are equal? So we need to figure out these expressions and find 2 of them that are equal. Okay, 38 plus 6 is 44. 56 minus 24, I'm gonna write that out over here. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So this one is 32. So those 2 aren't equal. And then we have 8 times 6, which is 48. And 4 times 8, which is 32. So our 2 equal numbers are Kelly and Kyle. Okay, the last one says, Greg has a number of baseball cards, so we don't know how many baseball cards he has. He keeps the same number of cards in 4 boxes. What expression represents the number of baseball cards Greg can put in each box? Explain why your answer is correct. So, N is the number of baseball cards that he has. So if I know that he has the same amount in each of 4 boxes, then I can put N times 4, and that will tell me that however many it is, I know that it's the same number in each box times 4. A way to show that that's correct is I could draw out a picture. Here is 4 boxes, and in each of them I have the same amount. Now I don't know what that is, but I'm using N to represent it. So I'm going to put N in each box. So that's just kind of a picture to show how I would prove my answer to be correct. Okay, so you have the same kind of questions on your sheet for today, which is the other side of the one that I just did. Let me know if you have any questions.